To begin using any dotConnect product, a license key is required, including for the free 30-day trial. This process is quick, secure, and completely free. No payment information is needed. You can install dotConnect in several ways: through NuGet in Visual Studio, using the console in any IDE, or with the Windows installer for full Visual Studio integration. Choose the method that best fits your workflow. With the NuGet Package Manager open, choose the dotConnect package you need, then click Install. Review the changes and accept the license agreement. When prompted for activation, you have two options. If you don't have a key yet, click Get Key from Customer Portal, sign in or create an account, and copy your free trial license key. If you already have a key, simply copy it from your dotConnect customer portal. Then, enter the key or upload your license file to complete the activation. You're ready to start developing. Prefer using the console? You can install dotConnect from the command line in any IDE. Once the installation is complete, you'll need to activate the product. Visit the dotConnect website and click Start Free Trial, or use the same link provided in the NuGet Package README. Sign in or create your dotConnect account. Then copy the generated license key. Finally, add the key to your connection string to complete activation. For full Visual Studio integration, use the Windows installer. Download the setup file from the dotConnect website and run it. Follow the installation steps. Accept the license agreement, choose your install location, and select the components you need. Visual Studio integration is included by default. At the end of the installation, you'll be prompted to activate the product. If you don't have a license key yet, click Get Key from Customer Portal, sign in or sign up, and copy your free trial key. Then, paste the key or upload your license file to activate. Click Finish, and you're ready to go. Explore the full range of dotConnect providers for fast, seamless .NET connectivity. Choose the one that fits your project, install it your way, and activate your free trial in minutes. No payment needed, just powerful data access ready to use.